Yan mga vlogs, we wanted to do a reaction on this Rebel News news. Yan o. So, saan ba yan? Ayan, alisin ko muna to. Yan. So, what do you guys think about? They said it's a safe injection site, but it's not a safe injection site. It's a drug den. Sabi ni Poilievre. So the words are saying safe injection site, and this lady over here trying to defend it because she's a resident, right? So, and yung mga nangyari, merong namatay na nanay dahil nagbarilan yung dalawang drug dealers. So nasa gitna siya, nabaril siya. So yun, kailangan matigil na yung kalokohan na yan. Yan.
There was a poster here that noted, quote, "Got Sharps? Want chocolate? For every full Sharps container you return to counterfeit, we'll give you a chocolate bar," end quote. Now, counterfeit is a harm reduction program for women. I guess they don't care about harming children, do they? Who in their right mind would have a program enticing children to get chocolate bars for picking up shoe boxes full of Sharpies? This is beyond gross and irresponsible. Yep. It's downright dangerous.
You guys are disgusting.
Why are you saying that, ma'am?
Well,
you came up to us, man.
You are doing this in... Get your microphone out of my face. Get your microphone out of my face. Get your campaign. You guys are hateful. You don't have any understanding.
Really? Where's the empathy for Carolina Muckarat?
I don't have any.
You don't have any?
Who the you are?
Wow. The woman that was murdered, you don't have any empathy for
Yes,
her?
That's right. Are you kidding me?
Wow.
No, I don't have empathy because you guys are don't know anything about these issues. You are...
Okay, educate us.
No.
Who are you, ma'am? Who are you?
I'm a resident who cares about people who are suffering.
You care so much that you tried to damage my microphone.
Pretty soon that won't be all I damage.
Oh, is that right? Is that a threat?
That's right.
That's a threat, is it? Wow.
You guys...
That's not very ladylike, ma'am.
Is that a joke?
Is that a joke?
Oh, why is that a joke?
Don't you try and tell us what is ladylike.
Oh, okay.
Can we call the cops on these guys?
Oh, what would the charge be, ma'am?
Well, you're illegally parked without a ticket. You're illegally parked without a ticket.
Oh, that's a police matter.
Call somebody, please. You don't want them here. The call the police?
Yeah, it's a police matter. That's why they want to call the cops.
Those two women could be users
This guy's a
at
legend.
the center. They might be employees, or maybe there are just people who live in the community. But if they are, I would argue, and certainly the biggest crime of all happened last July 2023 when Carolina Muckarat Hubner was murdered in broad daylight. And yet, do we see any accountability? The CEO of this facility, that would be Jason Altenberg. Do you know, folks, he makes over $150,000 a year plus benefits. Has he even uttered an apology, a statement of regret over this? No, he oversaw that ludicrous Needles for Chocolate Bars campaign. And also, in the department of There's Plenty of Blame to go around, where is Doug Ford, the premier, on this? He has the power, I understand,
He's got
to
a brother.
shut down a facility like this. Come on, Doug. Step up to the plate. Do the right thing.
His brother
Do your
got caught
part to help
with
fix
drugs,
our cities.
dealing with drugs.
For Rebel News, I'm David
Matt.
Benzoidman.
Yeah, we gotta fix our city. We wanna do that. We want it to be safe for the kids. So ayan ang ang mga issues dito sa Canada with the current government. Nagawang mapa Ontario, mapa BC, may mga legal drug den. It's injection site daw, safe injections site, tsaka safe supply, but it's actually you're just insinuating na magkaroon ng more drug use. And syempre yung mga next generation makita na ganyan ang Canada. So in the future, hindi natin alam kung ano magiging future ng mga kids, kung very visible ang drugs sa public, drug use, and inaano ng government, tinitolerate yung ganyang klaseng drug use. So the next government, sabi ni Poilievre, is isasara niya yung drug den. So sana it will be sooner rather than later, right? So yun, so mag-reaction video tayo sa next na mga issues dito sa Canada. Merong din yung sa Wasaga Beach na nag-defecate yung Indian national, but I think it's not a rampant incident. It's just maybe a 1 or 2 time incident with maybe same family, but may nakita rin ako sa Twitter na nag-post na lalaki naman sa side street, I don't know kung anong city yun dito sa Canada, na nag-defecate siya just in the street, na parang nakuha siya ng picture, right? So okay, yun na muna. Kita ulit tayo sa next na video. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga videos. Salamat po.